Hey everyone, this is Eidson. Today I'm going to build a camera stand for my camera so I can record an overhead view of paintings that I'm working on. And so I have some PVC pipes. The height of my camera stand is going to be about 2 feet high, almost 4 feet across, and then come down 2 feet again, and it's going to have two bottom like leg sections. And what I have today is I have two long pieces of PVC pipe that are 10 feet long. That was one. This is the other one. And I have these connectors, so I'm going to use them to connect in the four points of my camera stand. So that's what I'm going to be doing, and check out the video after this to see what's happening. And just a real quick video of what I'm doing. I mean, not video, but drawing. That's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to cut the PVC pipe into these sections and have these legs to support the bottom, and this part right here is where I will attach the camera screw, that this little piece where you can attach the camera bracket. So anyway, I've been wanting to do this for a while. I've tried a lot of different ways to set up my camera to do overhead views of paintings, and I'm hoping this is going to be good. I'll talk to you later.